Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Since you're here, you can enjoy these 7 DIY decor projects. It's all right, stay a while. For this first project, I used a toy ball and purple florals from the Dollar Tree. I separated the stems and leaves, then cut the stems of purple flowers into individual pieces. I poked holes into the toy foam ball and inserted the leaves into the holes and secured the leaves with hot glue. This is the ball turned over, and it should look like the ball is blooming from the leaves. Then I poked holes and put hot glue on one hole at a time and inserted one flower bud. Continue this over the whole ball. I made 2, and this is how it turned out. Now for this next project, I used a metal wreath ring like this one from the Dollar Tree, along with Dollar Tree leaf stems. I separated the leaves and hot glued the individual leaves to the ring. I added some small jewels for interest among some of the leaves and a bow I made from ribbon. I embellished it with jewels, and I also added a few white flowers. DIY 3 is another wreath project with stems from Dollar Tree. Using a wooden wreath I think I got from Walmart, I inserted the stems into the wreath and secured them by weaving through and twisting the stems in place. I added white florals to this project as well. Here are some of the items I used for this 4th project. I used boxwood stems from Walmart and separated the stems. This project was completed before I made the original video. This was an after-the-fact demonstration. I used a small tool to poke holes in the foam ball. I put hot glue on the hole and inserted a stem. I glued 3 dowels together and wrapped them with raffia. I inserted the dowels into the foam ball and secured with hot glue. I placed some floral foam into a small container, inserted the dowels into the floral foam, and secured it in place with hot glue. I then filled the inside with rocks. DIY 5 starts with these hard plastic toy balls from the Dollar Tree. I covered the ball with school glue and covered the ball with floral moss. In order to make the floral moss more easier to manipulate, I used scissors to cut it and then I applied. You can also use a foam toy ball and moss balls cut in half and twined to make a moss ball creation that is a lot less messy and easier to create. Just use hot glue to attach the moss halves to the ball and wrap with twine. For this last DIY, I used a pool noodle from Dollar Tree. I cut the pool noodle in half and attached it in a spiral shape with duct tape around a broom handle, also from the Dollar Tree, and covered it with moss using hot glue. The broomstick is covered with a wooden pattern contact paper. I put floral styrofoam inside of a waste bin and added rocks to weigh it down and used gray moss to cover the top. I hope you found some inspiration in this video to be creative. And as always, have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.